episode of Avon TV. The second month of the year is not yet over, which only means we'll be giving you twice the Valentine surprises just for you. We'll begin with 2 new Skin So Soft body serums and a lot more offers to choose from, plus a brand new face to show off her timeless beauty. You can also get your favorite makeup products from Avon True and Mark with our buy 2, get 1 free. So mix and match all you want and make the most out of this very sulit offer. Finally, you can refresh your intimates with our terrific buys from Avon Fashions and don't miss out on our Avon premium deals for this month. Ready na ba kayo to know who's the new face of Skin So Soft body serums? Keep on watching to be inspired by her glow and find out her secret. Things in life come in twos, lalo na if you can get another one pa for free. So prepare yourselves to mix and match all of these makeup duos that you'll be copying this month. You know what they say, 2 is better than 1. Kaya hindi pa nagtatapos ang aming Valentine's Treats para sa inyo because we have special bra set that you can score at an amazing deal. So stay tuned. Last but not the least, we have the Avon Premium offers for February na perfect for picnic dates or to share with your family. So keep watching to find out. And that's it for this Avon TV episode. Double the shopping and double the fun talaga ang goal namin for this February. So we hope you enjoyed our post-Valentine's treats and that you were able to complete everything you need from our Skin So Soft specials, our buy 2 get 1 free mix and match makeup deals, our intimate apparel terrific buys, and our Avon Premium offers. Don't forget to comment down below the products or offers in your must-have list this love month. Make sure to follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/AvonPhilippines and on Instagram at AvonPH. Stay updated with our latest episodes by subscribing to youtube.com/AvonPH. At para updated kayo sa mga online trainings kasama si Abby, mag-join na sa Avon Eskwela Facebook close group at facebook.com/AvonSkwela. This group was made 100% exclusive para lang sa ating mga Avon representatives. Kaya join na, tayo na sa Avon Eskwela. This is your host, Bea, and I'll see you again on our next episode. Bye! Hey, this is Bea. If you want to see our latest videos, click the subscribe button and enjoy.